Hi there. We are Group TRAPLAB of UC Davis's 2016 Winter Quarter Engineering 6 course. Truc, Sucharita Roy, and myself, Aditya Nirgun, have come together to present the fully functional and multi-featured audio sampling interface we've created on MATLAB. We call it the TRAPLAB. Let's take a look at how this works. To begin working on a project, we're going to upload a .wav or .mp3 file to the deck using the Load to Deck button. This button employs the UI-getFile function, and it allows the user to select an audio file on his or her hard drive. Once uploaded, the file will be displayed on the graph as a plot of frequency versus time. Here we can play back the audio and listen to the track in its entirety using the play, pause, and stop buttons.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Shoot down, eat you alive, just like Eddie. Baby, I'm playing on you tonight.
Now, if we want to chop out a clip of this track, we can use the toolbar controls and use the zoom and pan buttons to select a section of the track that we want to listen to or edit.
Okay, so far we have seen several functionalities. Now let's do some signal processing. So for these, we'll use some audio effects. So we'll be filtering some of the samples. So the two main filters are the low pass and the high pass filter, and we'll also be doing the voice removal. So let's get on to that. So let's select a track. Play it.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight.
Pause. Let's select the very first audio filter low pass. And there you go.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight.
Let's do the second one, high pass. There is it. Okay, let's do the voice removal. So we'll be uploading another track. This is the original one. Now let's create the voice removal effect. As you can listen, it will not completely remove the voice, but it will minimize the vocals to a large extent. DJ effects. So let's create some effects. Okay, the first one we'll do is the speed up. So let's speed it up by, say, we have the input box there, so you can input 1.5. And there it is. Let's do the slowdown similarly. Yeah, I'm using the slider, but you can also put in the value. Here I'll put in 0.7. And there it is. There are two ways to manipulate the extent to which you want to speed up or slow down using either slider or the input box. Now let's do the third one, audio reversal. There it is. Now let's cause delay. Let's put in the value 2000. And there it is, you can hear the echo.
TRAPLAB also allows the user to control volume and speaker outputs. Let's take a look at this. So, at the bottom right hand corner of the UI, in addition to stereo sound, we have mono outputs for left and right speakers. Let's hear the right speaker. Over here on the other side of the MIDI buttons, we have this master volume control. By moving the slider up or down, the user can control volume output. If you are looking to adjust a track to a certain BPM, there's a built-in metronome that can be played in addition to the track on the deck. Let's look at this right now. Using the input box, the BPM can be increased or decreased. Using the DJ controls, we can adjust the playback speed, speeding up or down the track, or slowing down the track to match the clip to its desired BPM. Now that we have an edited sample, we have a couple options. We can assign the clip to a MIDI button, or we can save the track as its own WAV file. Here, we see how buttons can be used to store and playback clips. A green button indicates a stored audio clip, while when the button turns yellow, it indicates current playback. These buttons can be cleared and replaced with new clips at the user's command. Let's upload some tracks and extract some clips for demonstration. As you can see, these buttons have been designed with simplicity and easy playback. Moving on to another feature of the UI, on the right here we have a built-in synthesizer. The tone generator creates a wave function with a frequency defined by the slider. We can then choose a waveform and press start tone to produce the synth sound. This video has covered all of the functionalities and features included in our user interface. The project report will contain some explanation behind the code and a clear description of the distribution of tasks. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoy playing around with the program, and we would love to hear from you in the comments section below the video. Thank you.